The complex economic battle with global implications between the United States and China has become a critical concern for businesses worldwide. Cases like the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, Huawei security scandal, TikTok ban, and disruption on maritime transport also contributed to the tension between the two countries. While the two economic giants are battling their heart out, businesses around the world have been caught in the crossfire and are playing their cards carefully around the battle. This is where Opulent can come to help. Opulent can play a crucial role in helping businesses navigate these challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Located in the middle of Southeast Asia, Opulent's headquarters in Singapore and factory in Penang, Malaysia is ideal for goods transportation efficiency. With the Malaysia Free Trade Agreements, and together with Opulent's years of experience with inventory management and connections with local suppliers, we are the ideal partnership for your business. Trust Opulent to help your business navigate through the trade war while ensuring the regulatory compliance.